Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today we'll be making a beautiful hairband using earbuds. For this we'll need some earbuds and decorative stones, a piece of cardboard and a hairband. Let's get started. Now cut the heads of the earbuds like this. This cardboard cut out circles of diameter 3 cm. Now on this piece apply Fevicol all over. We are now going to stick the heads of the earbuds like this. Apply some more Fevicol and stick a stone in between. We have made 5 flowers the same way. We'll stick them on the hairband. You can also make colored flowers. First, take some diluted acrylic paint. Drop the heads of the earbuds into it. Once they get coated well, remove them and place them for drying. The colored flowers are now ready. Let us stick them on the hairband. Hairband is ready. See? You can also make a flower clip. See? I made a flower with the remaining earbuds. Let us attach it to an old ring. Friends, how was it? Isn't it beautiful?
Enough my shoe, now look at mine. Isn't it more beautiful?
If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, tell us how well your craft came out in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.